Officers report a criminal resisting arrest in La Mesa. Citizens reporting a holdup at Strawberry 24/7 Market. Respond code 3. We've got units requesting helicopter support over Mission Row.
We are en route. Air support en route. Charlie 4, roger that. We'll look for those maggots. Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight. Acknowledge. Acknowledge. Roger, we're heading over now.
This ain't happening.
Jesus. On foot.
Attention all units. We have medical aid requested in Marietta Heights. Units respond code 3.
It's not looking good! I hate when this happens.
Professional life as an executive is spent on a corporate treadmill. Why work out on one? Channel your rage into something positive, like the Queensberry Boxing Club. After all those meetings where you restrained yourself...
Citizens report a possible 211 at Strawberry 24/7 Market. Units respond code 3.
Dispatch, we got eyes on the target, moving to engage. Dispatch, we got eyes, we're in pursuit. We're flying over now!
All available David units on alert. Backup required in La Mesa.
I'm right here, dispatch. I'll check it out. Dispatch, we got a visual on the perp in pursuit. Charlie 4, roger that. We're in the area. Dispatch, Soldier 1 responding.
Oh, man! Sorry, piece of crap.
It appears that China now wants to outsource our flying to press conference today. Global shared intel that high-profile members from a number of Chinese criminal organizations have entered the U.S. illegally in recent months with a view to infiltrate the North American drug market.
Despite recent controversies, you moron. And accusations of being involved, numerous celebrities are choosing to be
You're surrounded, asshole!
Dispatch to all SWAT unit. Assistance needed in Elysian Island.
Suspect is on foot! Eagle 4, we're We're on it. We're flying over now. We copy you. On standby. Today. Copy, dispatch. We'll assist.
We've got a perimeter
What did you
around
think was gonna happen?
Intel said rails will run on many popular streets, shutting them down for years during construction, and promised to move traffic up to 3 miles per hour, much faster than current.
All available David units on alert. We've got a 1099 in Elysian Island. Respond code 3.
Dispatch, this is Victor 13. We're on it. Adam 4, copy. Right here, dispatch. I'll check it out.
You're under arrest. There's no way out. Drop the weapon. You're so dead. Give up now. Whoever might be shot the hell out. Got your plates. Stop. Let him.
We're gonna go do some Lady Gaga right now. And why not?
Citizens report a robbery at Littleville RON station. Units respond code 3.
Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight.
Assistance required in Cypress Flat.
Charlie 4 is airborne and headed to the scene. Dispatch, we have a visual. We spotted him. He's heading east. I'm right here, dispatch. I'll check it out. Copy that. We are on our way. I see the perp. We're in pursuit. Dispatch, suspect located. Moving to engage.
Attention all units. We've got units requesting helicopter support over Cypress Flat.
This is Albatross 3, headed towards suspect. Copy, dispatch. Adam 4 en route. I see the perp. We're in pursuit. Dispatch, perp in sight. Eagle 1 here. Suspect is heading west.
Units requesting helicopter support over Littleville.
We are en route. Air support en route.
Dispatch to all flight unit backup needed in Littleville. Units respond code 3.
This is air support. Suspect heading east. Charlie 4, roger that. We're in the area.
Jesus.
MOS in pursuit of suspect on foot.
Give me cover.
Give yourself up!
Fuck you!
LSPD, get on the ground!
Dick! Bringing in is nice and easy. We got you surrounded.
Attention all units. We've got medical aid requested in Pillbox Hill. Units respond code 3.
There was a moment when I let Johnson accounting get eaten by a rabbit dog. My colleagues in IT are never going to look at me the same way again.
Just responding like an exciting weekend race that ends in a co-worker's death.
mental and physical stamina in a way that will have you scarred for life. You're guaranteed. Build character, crush your colleagues, then show up and show what winners are made of. Sign up for the Machiavelli 10-miler today.
Officers report a suspect resisting arrest in Pillbox Hill.